Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, this is shit. Should I just let it take loads of line?
Can you zoom in on this?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Hey, should I just let it take loads?
Yeah. Let it take loads of line.
Got quite a lot of line to let it take.
Oh, it's got it!
It's got
it! We still got
it! Looks to me like the chicken's caught in the bushes. Let's bring it back.
Oh man, we got dead far with that.
Right over the road, wasn't it?
Was it into the road?
They're thick as fuck, aren't they?
Come on, you dirty bastards. Mate, this is fun. Mate, what time's time for this today?
Put your fucking phones in there.
What the fuck? What the fuck did you put it in there for?
I don't.